We'll discuss inbuilt service in Angular. Now, what service is like you can use a timeout service, for example. Let's look at this code. What we'll do is I'll just run it once. You see that the header is here and it changes, right? When it waits for 2 seconds and it changes. How do we do that? We have an Angular application called myTimeApp with a controller named myControl, and this is the definition of the control. If you look at this one, it begins here and it ends at line number 21. Within the controller, we are using $scope and then another inbuilt service called timeout. Now, timeout is a service which will take a function as the first parameter and a value as the second one. This is the value of time in milliseconds. So let's discuss the scope. My header is text. Now let's discuss timeout. Timeout is a inbuilt service, so you use $timeout and you pass two parameters to it. This is how it has been defined. The first one has to be a function, so you give an anonymous function, or you just uh, use the $scope my header inside that, and then we are changing the my header value. Right? Initially, it is like I'm the header. I'll change in 2 seconds, and after the timeout, when the control is called in 2 seconds, this function is executed and it runs. So I'll run it once again. I open with the live server. Right, 1, 2. It's gone. Okay.